Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a custom progress dialog. First of all, open your Android Studio and one more thing is that in the last time I forget to create a string resource file. So first of all, we will fix this. As you can see, we are showing a top message, but we have passed a URL is not valid string like this one. So just press cut from it here, press Ctrl X and go to the resource, then go to values and inside string.xml file create your string resource for this here. Just keep the cursor end of this line and press Ctrl D. It will automatically copy the above line. Then inside the name, name it to invalid URL. You can give any name, it is totally up to you. Invalid URL. And let's press Ctrl V, right? Now we have to call this invalid URL name inside this show message. So remove this double quotes and access the string resource inside show method. First of all, initialize get the context activity, then press dot. Then you have to click on get resources, res resources, then get string, then get the string like that r dot string dot invalid URL. Okay, now as you can see, error has been gone. So in the entire project, you should use the colors, dimens or strings as like this method. Okay, I hope you understand. And one more thing is that you can also remove get resources, then it still work as you can see. Then why I have used this get resources? Why? Because suppose that if you are making a app and you are making a app with multi-language, then if you call the language or language resources file like this r.string.invalid URL, then it will not work like this. You have to use get resources. Okay, you have to use this method get resources. So you should use this every time when you create a new project in your Android Studio. Always use it. Okay, do not ignore it, because if you want to later you will do something new thing. Let's make a light or dark theme or multi-language, then it will not working for you if you forget to add this get resources. Okay, so always write the full code. Do not avoid anything. Okay, I hope you understand. So now we will focus our on this lecture to create a custom progress dialog. For creating a customer dialog, you can use a custom layout file. Okay, but before creating a layout, I will suggest you to create a Lottie animation dialog. As you, I hope you are familiar with Lottie animation. Go to internet in browser and search Lottie files animation. Lottie files. As you, as you can see, it is there. Let's suppose a loader animation. Press enter. One more important thing is that if your PC is slower, Then do not open this lotifiles.com website into your PC because it will create start hanging your PC. Okay, because it has a lot of animations in their website. So to avoid mm, viewing this website into a slow version of PC. Okay, so let's search for a loader animation because we want to show a progress loader. So simply type the loader and press enter. Here you can see a price option. You should select a free if you want to download a free versions. Then select the free. Okay. As you can see, there is a many good looking loaders are available here. You can download anything. Okay. It is totally up to you. You can download anything. So before downloading animation file, you should learn how to integrate in our project because you can not directly use this animation because these are a JSON file. So how you can do that? Simply just go to the browser and search for Lottie files Android integration. Okay, then press enter, search for, and then click on it from official website. Scroll down, and as you can see, you have to define this hit here. This implementation. Copy this one and go to Android Studio, app level, build.gradle file. Scroll down and press and write down Lottie files. Lottie animation, right? Press file. But you have to replace this Lottie version. Okay, how you can get? Simply, they are showing that the latest version is 6.2.0. Simply write down, remove this one 6.2.0. Okay, it has been done. Now you have synced the project. Click on sync now button. Close it. Our our integration has been done, but not completed it yet. We have to integrate in the layout file also. So let's again open it this and go to the below. As you can see, it is there for layout view, right? But we not need for now because first of all we have to create a layout file, right? So let's wait for sync is completed. Let me pause the video. Now sync is completed. So create a custom layout. Click on the resource folder, then select layout. Right click on the layout folder or layout directory, then go to new, then select layout resource file. Click on it. Uh, Give name to your layout file and remember that all the characters or names of your file should be in lowercase without any space and extra symbols. Just simple. Okay. Let's say it progress dialog. Okay. Now you do not touch anything, just press OK. Our progress dialog class has been created successfully. As you can see, the it have constant layout, but we not need constant layout for it. Okay, convert this constant layout to uh, material card view. we will use the material card view for now. Okay, write down material. You can use any other layouts, it doesn't matter. It is totally up to you, but I am just taking it for a good looking app or material design app. Okay, you can, it is totally up to you. You can use anything. So select material card view. Now, as you can see, I have write material card view, but below line is not changed. It is still constant layout. That's why it is causing a error. Remove it, remove it, and how you can write the below line? Just press less than, then type slash, and it will automatically paste. You nothing to worry about. Write anything code. Android Studio is smarter now in the end of 2023. Okay, so now enter and create a Lottie animation view inside this file. But before creating Lottie animation view, we have, as you can see, this is the match parent and match parent height and width. But as you know, loader should be small as compact to come in the middle of the app. Okay, so make it wrap content. You not need to write the full, just type WR and it will automatically show you suggestion. Just press enter and it has been done. And as you know, card view background not have any color, it is transparent, so give a color to it. Okay, so how you can do it? Just type background. Okay, now you there is a multiple backgrounds. Which one you have to select? As you know, we are working with the card view, so simply select the fourth card background color. Okay, just press enter, it automatically done. And now you have to put the color according to your choice. If you want to white, then press white. It automatically show a white color resource value suggest you, then press enter. How it's suggesting me a white color? It's suggesting me because I have added a white color resources is there. It is there. It's suppose that it is not there. Okay, now it will cause a error, and also it will not suggest you anything if you type white. Okay, as you can see, I have typed WH, it is not suggesting me. So it will suggest only when if you have created the color resources already. Okay, now I have created the white resources already. Now when I type the white again WH, as you can see, suggestion is uh, running successfully. Just press enter. Now card become background color becomes white, and give some corner radius. How you can do that? uh, it is very simple. You not need to worry about remember to write what android or app what you have to write. Just make sure that you have a simple language remembered, like that radius. Just type radius. You not need to also make write full radius. Just press rad, it automatically suggests you in it is showing many type of radius. Which type of radius we want? As you know, we are working with the material card view, so you should select card corner radius. Okay, select second one. Okay, now it is suggesting me dimensions resources values. How? Because in the previous video we have created a some dimensions value here. I know you have remembered it. Okay, so give some height or width. It can be used for height, width, radius, anything, for any purpose. Okay, so s- for now we will use this height 10 dp corner radius. Okay, it is enough to make a good looking. Just type 10. It will suggest you 10 related to dimension. Okay, just select which you want prefer, which is height 10. Just press enter and it has been done. Okay, you not need to write the full code every time out and not worry to how you can remember these ones. Just remember the basic things and everything has been done this smart Android studio. Okay, now we have to create a Lottie animation view. How? From there, it is pretty simpler. Just copy this one. Okay, copy this one. But this is not a good. mm, this is not a good. Please wait. I will suggest you some better version. Let me read out. Okay. It is not showing here. Mm, so let's check on its GitHub page. Maybe it is there. Let it uh, open in new tab. Maybe it is there. I have also not used for a long time. That's why. Mm, but I will. Yes, it is there. Okay, do not worry. Okay, just uh, sorry, just copy it, and go to Android Studio in the material card view. Then press Ctrl V, and it has been done. As you can see, there is no dependency error because we have already added in the build.gradle file, right? Okay. Now it is showing me error. That's why I am talking this file. You can use animation in three ways: a raw resources file, and a JSON asset file, and a JSON URL file. We will use a let me show you. I know you not understand. This one used for if you want to change the animation from dynamically from admin panel like a PHP server from your website. Then you should use this one. You can also use it if you want to download in files and animation file in your Android project. Okay, locally. But I prefer this one. Do not use the do not use this raw resources because you have to create a raw folder inside the resource folder. But to avoid it, it is basically this one is more convenient. This one, it is suggesting that you have to use this one or this one. Okay. This one is better because every time you need to forget if add the rate raw, then it will not work. So copy this line and replace this one. Now it has been done. Error is not going, but we do not have hello world.json file yet. So download a loader file. Let me pause the video. I have already downloaded a loader file. Okay, so I have to move this file. Let me show you later. Please wait. Now, hello. We have to pass our JSON file for animation here. I have already found a better animation loader and downloaded it in my PC. You can download it like this way. I will show you. I have already show you. Let me show you how you can download. If uh, if suppose that you like this one loader, so just click on it, and after that you have to go to the download menu, click on it, and then press save workspace to download. And to save your this workspace, you have to register, sign up. Okay, you have to sign up. Click on it, then it is asking to sign up. Then simply sign up, and after that you will see a download option. In the download option you will see many options like JSON file, zip file, mp4 file. You select JSON file, right? Okay, because we need .json file, so select the JSON file to download, and it will start the download. Then where you have to put this file into your Android project, let me show you. Just go to the Android structure, click on it, make the project type, then maximize it, then go to app src, then go to main, then inside the main right click on it and press new, then create a package, a directory. Okay, let me tell you once more again. Wait, let me go to the back. You have project type Android like this way. Okay, you have to go click here above which shows the Android. Click on this arrow icon, select project, then click on this arrow icon, maximize it, go to the app directory, then go to src, then go to main directory, then click on main directory, and then select it, and after selecting right click on it, then go to new, and then select directory, and you have to select this files assets, click on it. It will automatically write it. If it is not there, you can simply write a double s e t s. Do not make a spelling mistake, also it will not work. A double s e t s, right? Hope you understand. Then simply press enter. As you can see, assets directory has been created. Now this is my loader.json file. You have rename your JSON file like this. If it has any symbol in the name, then please remove it and just keep the name simple as like loader, or you can do progress, anything, but keep simple. Remove any unwanted symbols or space. Okay, also it will not work. Do not remove .json, it is a extension. Okay, now you have to move these files into the assets folder. We have downloaded these files loader from this one I have shown you already. Okay, so how you can do that? Just simply drag and drop like this one. Okay, it will asking refactor, then press refactor. It has been done. You can view it is there. Okay, now how you can access it? Just simply remove this hello world and type loader, LOADER, right? And as you can see, our file has been is there. It's very simple. uh, our progress dialog layout has been created successfully, but it is not rendering the view. uh, okay, it is not a issue or not a error in the programming. It is the issue of our file type, because many files starts from zero. Zero means, uh, suppose that if let me show you. Let me show you it. Mm, okay, now let's see. uh, this third animation, this is, and you can see that there is a space when there is nothing. That's why it is beginning from the white. Okay, that's why it is the beginning of the white. That's why you cannot see anything here, but in the runtime of your app it should work. I will show you, do not worry about it. Okay, now again you go to the Android view, not the project view. Select the Android view. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we have to create a function to show this custom progress dialog into our project. How you can do that? It is very simple. Just to go to the helper directory and select function, double click on it, open, and create a new function. How you do that? It is very simple. Just keep the cursor and press enter. Remember that do not create the function inside a function. This is a complete function, right? How you know it is a complete function? Just keep the starting curly bracket, and as you know, it will automatically make brighter the last one. This means it is a complete function. So do not write the new function inside here. Okay, else it will cause error. After this function is completed, then go below and write down your next function from there. I hope you understand. So as you know, to open or show a progress dialog, uh, we need to create a custom dialog. So how you can define it? First of all, you have to define it a private variable. Let's create it there, and we are creating a dialog. So select dialog. Then we are creating a custom dialog. So name it a custom dialog. You can name it anything. It is totally up to you. Okay. Now you have to initialize this custom dialog variable. Just to make a public function, public void. Now create a function name to call your this dialog to show or hide. Okay. So for this showing purpose, we will need a create a and name it. Sorry, show progress dialog. Progress dialog. One more thing is that for professional programming, you should use camel case coding. Okay, what camel case is does? Make the first letter small. After that, do not give space and make the letter first letter big. And after that, again big letter. Then after that, again big letter, and so on. This is a professional programming. And if you are uploading or selling source code, then you should use it. Else your code can be rejected. Okay, so remember it. Mm, I hope. Now we have to pass a activity context is here. Okay, now click context activity. Sorry. Uh, Now, first of all, you have to, before showing a dialog, you should check that dialog is not showing. Okay, if dialog is showing and already you call this command, this function show progress dialog, then it will cause error and corrupt your, sorry, crash, not corrupt, crash your app. Okay, then how you can avoid it? You can avoid it simply just checking it whether the dialog is showing or not. It's very simple. You have to just check this variable custom dialog. Okay, how you can do that? You can do that like this. Press if condition. Okay, first of all you have to check is custom dialog not equal to null. Okay, if it is null, then we will do the dismiss it. Okay, let's do the programming. Custom dialog if not equal to, this sign is called not equal to. Okay, not equal to null. Sorry, null. अगर हमारा if our custom dialog is not equal to null, then what we can do? We will dismiss the custom dialog. Custom dialog dot dismiss. Okay, why we are dismissing this? Because already I tell you that show progress dialog, if already a dialog is showing, it means dialog is not empty. And if it is not empty, then we will need to make it finish or dismiss it before calling another one to show it again. Also your app will make crash. So after that, again you have to initialize the custom dialog to null. Okay, how you can do that? Just type custom dialog equal to null. Sorry, null. Null. Okay, now it has been done. Now after that, you have initialized this custom dialog. Okay, how you can do that? Very simple. Custom dialog equal to new dialog, and pass your activity context, which is their activity. Okay, now semicolon in the next line. Now you have inflate your view. And what is the view? View is the your progress dialog dot xml file. How you can do that? You can do that like that. Write down layout inflator. Sorry, layout inflator. Inflator. Okay. Uh, then simply name it inflator. Then again type layout inflator. Then dot from. Then you have to pass your activity context. Okay, it has been done. Semicolon. Go to next line and then create a view. Type view and create a. If it is showing error, then simply press Alt plus Enter. Okay, no issue. Sorry, we forget to initialize it equal to sign here. Okay, no issue. Now create a view and name the view. Let's custom view. Okay. Now equal to inflator. Call this above inflator. Now inflate the your layout view. Inflate. Okay. Now write down r dot layout. You are fetching this layout, right? Progress dialog. How you can do that? If you want to use any resources, then you have to use like this one, r dot. After that, if you are using layout, then you should put layout. If you are using drawable, then you should put drawable like that. Okay, I hope you understand. Mm, Basically it is not a part of our coding, but I am telling the basic. Okay, so do not worry. R dot layout, and now select our class name, which is the, sorry, layout name, which is the progress dialog. Press enter. It has been done. Do not put the .xml. It automatically Android Studio knows that it is a XML file. Okay, you not need to write it. If you by chance write down, it will cause a error like this. Okay, so do not write. Now you have to pass a root. What is that? Root is null. Now it has been done. Now you have to set uh, some property to your custom layout. Okay, properties like cancellations, contents, etc. Okay, so first of all, we have to put a cancellation. Cancellations means if loader is showing, we do not allow you just to that. If he clicks outside, then uh, dialog should not be closed, because his dialog is closed, then he can perform other action and app will crash. Okay, we have to prevent this. How how we can do that? It is very simple. Just write down a one line of code. Just type custom dialog. So do not select custom view, select custom dialog. Okay, custom dialog dot set cancelable, as showing it is suggesting you. Press enter and then make it false. Okay, pass a boolean value false. It has been done. Now if a user, suppose that your dialog is showing, and if a user is click outside the dialog, then dialog will not be cancelled. Okay, and if you want that dialog should be cancelled, then you should remove this line. Okay, or you can comment out this line by pressing control plus slash like this one. Okay, but I suggest you, if you are using dialog, then do make it not cancelable. Okay, also your app will crash. If you want to make cancelable, then you have to perform or write down other code to save your app from crashing. Okay, so it is a good choice to write this only. Okay, now you have to set the content. Content means you have created a view, you have set this view to the custom layout. Okay, sorry, custom dialog. Okay, now put custom dialog, select custom dialog dot set content view, press enter and pass this custom view. Write down this custom view. Okay, now it has been done. Now one more thing is that you have to call a uh, custom dialog dot show. Okay, now if you call this function show progress dialog dot and pass activity content inside this dialog, then your dialog will appear with this custom progress dialog. If in the future you can make the changes in this layout file, and it should show like this. Okay, and I will suggest you that before showing a custom dialog, again check that dialog is showing or not. So double make the dialog double safety. Okay, so simply remove it. And how you can check that? Simply as like this, press if. Okay, custom dialog, select custom dialog, not the views. Okay, custom dialog not equal to null. Understand? And also check that dialog is showing. Dialog is showing. How you can check? Also means double end by press shift plus 7. Okay, now double ends and write down custom dialog. Sorry, custom हो गया, custom dialog dot is showing, then give space, then again write down double end, then put activity is not finishing. Is not finishing is not a function, so you should use not before the activity, like this activity dot is finishing. Okay, now it has been done. Now write down custom dialog show, custom dialog dot show. It has been done. It is completed. Now you not need to worry about anything crash or errors. It is totally free. You can use this custom helper function for showing a progress dialog into your application. It is done. Now custom progress dialog is showing. Now how you can dismiss it? Suppose that you want to show a ad to the user. Okay, Now add is before ad is loading, you should show progress dialog, and if the ad is loading and want to show to the users, then you have to dismiss this progress dialog. How you uh, can do it is very simple. Just create another function class. Write down public void, name your function, hide progress dialog. Okay, now pass the activity context. Sorry, it has been done. Okay, now you have to write the code. What you have to write? Uh, you have to just copy this line, copy this one. Sorry, copy this one and paste it here. But you have to hide the dialog. So do not show. Write down dismiss, and it has been done. Mm, one more thing is that in the show progress dialog function there is some mistake, and it is that we have used this custom dialog is showing. We not have to check this one. It here. Okay, you have to remove this one. Now it is perfect. Okay, and also a hide progress dialog is working fine. Okay, it has been done successfully. Now, when we will start the actual working on the project or layouts or classes, then we will use this show progress dialog. And then in the practical work, you should learn how you can call this progress dialog or hide progress dialog in the runtime. I hope you understand, guys. If you have or face any issue, please feel free to contact me. Do not hesitate me to contact. Okay. This video lecture has been completed for now. I will meet you in the next video.